Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Siful Bahri. I am presenting our joint research with Rebecca Cindy Sartika, Firdaun Torik Faza, and Muhammad Rizal Hidayat from Tidar University, Magelang, Indonesia. Our study is titled with Education, Digital Access, and Rural Youth Employment in Magelang Regency. In rural Indonesia, many young people still face difficulties finding decent jobs. There are not enough formal jobs, and many graduates don't find work that match their education. At the same time, not everyone has good internet access and digital skill. So we want to see how these two things, education and digital access, influence young people's chance to getting job. Simply put, our research looks at what factor determining whether rural youth in Magelang are employed or not. We focus on effect of education and then internet access and some demographic factor like age, gender, and marital status. And then data and methodology. We use data from 2024 National Socio-Economic Survey or SUSENAS, which is conducted by Statistic Indonesia. From the dataset, we analyzed 560 young people with the age 15 until 29. And then we applied a binary logistic regression, basically a method to predict whether someone works or not based on their characteristic. And then model evaluation, our model fits the data well, and the Hosmer and Lemeseau test show a p-value of 0.984, meaning it's reliable. And then it can correctly predict about 98% of the case, which is quite good for social science data. And then regression result. Here we will find the first one, age. Older youth are more likely to work. Elder youth is meaning a person who age 25 until 29 is more likely to become employed. And then the second one is gender. Gender, males less likely to be employed than females. And then education, higher education reduce employment probability. And then the urban youth, 1.54 times more likely to be employment. And then marital status, this is a negative impact. Married youth less likely to work. And then internet access, digital access alone does not improve the employment. And then discussion. So what does it mean? Yeah, education alone is enough. We need vocational and practical training. Digital access help only if people use it productive things like online learning or job searching. And gender still matter. Many rural women work informally to support their families. What is policy implication? Policy implication, to solve the issue, the government should focus on the first one, vocational and digital skill program for rural youth. Yeah. And then the second one, gender sensitive employment policy. And the third one, better digital and physical infrastructure in village. This step can help rural youth participate more fully in digital economics. In the conclusion, in the short, both education and digital access are more important, but they must be supported by the right policy and skill program. Only then uh, can rural youth in Magelang truly benefit from Indonesian digital transformation. I think that's all. Thank you very much for listening. We hope this study give useful insight from promising inclusive and sustainable youth employment in rural area. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.